What do we really want for our lives now? Because you're not the same person as you used to be, and you probably want to create new goals and have a different lifestyle that you actually enjoy and you want to work towards. And so the question becomes, well, what's my North Star? And the question also becomes, what's next in an exciting way? And so you can start to look forwards to the future and go, what would I like to create? Actually, not what I like to create, what would I love to create? And I've got to start here because we talk about North Star in our program a lot. We have game plan sessions, we have 6 month goals, we have 12-month goals, and we help people work towards them over time in a really nice, realistic fashion. And you can see if we zoom out, it looks pretty cool. And you can see this is a journey. This is like, let's just say this is a 12-month journey. And this is why we work with our clients for a minimum 6 months, and most of our members stay with us for over a year, sometimes even longer. We've got clients who have been with us for 15 months, 16 months now. Got a guy who's been with us 2 years, he's working full time. And again, it's different for every single person. We need to sit down and really figure out what it is for you that's holding you back, and then move forwards with that. And then we readjust, we set the sail, we start doing the work, we start to make improvements, we start to progress, and we go, well, that's great. Now what does progress look like for me now? And then again, we set the sail, we move forwards, we start moving towards our goals. And then here, we can start to think bigger. We can start to think what's next. We can start to move and create a life that we actually want to create. It comes from a place of love and creation, not from a place of fear and lack. And this feels really, really, really good. There's a reason why we call our up-level program lifestyle integration, is because these guys are integrating back into life, relationships, living, creation, accountability, and moving forwards with what they want to do in their life and enjoying it along the way. And so, really, I just want you to think just for a moment, like, what would that possibility be like for you?